Yeah, welcome to Classy Touch DIY. So for this style, as it was requested by one of my subscribers, so I'm making use of the leftover fabric I have. So this is 17 inches. So initially it was 18 inches. I cut it and joined it together. So by the time I stitch the sides, it has reduced to 17 inches. So you fold it into two like that to locate the middle and pleat out that middle. So if you're working with three pieces, you can cut say like 19 inches so that you have 18 inches at the end, and you do the same thing as I'm doing now to it. But I only have the fabric here, I have the ashoka I have here is just it can only cut two steps, so I have to just make do with what I have. I hope you all get it. Alright, so I'm just using my needle and thread to tack down that particular point, the middle, together so as to hold it and put it in place. So once you finish doing that, you now take one side of it to form the bow style there. So I'm taking the edge there. So I'm just going to plait. Just look at the way I'm pleating, forming the plates. So because this is just two steps, so I'm just going to be having like 3 to 4 plates like that. So just forming it like that, then you cuff it out, you cuff it and then just attach everything to the middle. You cuff it out like that and attach everything to the middle. So just follow what I'm doing and you get it. It's very easy. Okay, so the one on my right is what I'm turning. You turn it very well to the point where you want that your arc, that is the edge there, to fall in. So once you are satisfied with the results you have, you just go ahead and use your needle and thread to tack it together to that same middle. So if you are working with three pieces, that is 3 steps, it will really come out well because you have a fuller plate there. Alright, so once you are done with that, I'll do the same thing for the other side too. So taking the edge like that, I'm going to form the same plate. I'm going to do the same thing all the way. So just form the number of plates that your ashoke can form. So mine can only form like 3 to 4 plates. So you just form it like that and position it in such a way. Alright, so that's just position it. You'll be the one to form, you'll be the one to, how will I even put it? You'll be the one to shape it to exactly what you want. Okay, it depends on how you cuff it. That's the way the bowl is going to come out. So that's just it. So I think I'm satisfied with what I have. So I'm just going to go ahead, use my needle and thread to tack it down like so. Alright, so you can just shape it very well, just walk around with it. Alright, so I've tacked it together like that. So it is this remaining fabric. If you're working with 3 pieces, so the remaining fabric should be longer for you to be able to wrap it around the middle. Okay, but because this is just 2, so it's not long enough for me to wrap. So I'm just going to cuff it at the back like that. I'm just trying to explain it here. So but because it's not enough, so I'm just going to cuff it, wrap it around at the back. So I have this little one, it's just like 3 pieces, 3 inches rather. So I just use 3 inches. So you can, if you like, you can take it to your sewing machine to just stitch it down, but I'll just cuff it together and just wrap it around the middle like that. Okay, so you just cuff that one at the back, cuff it at the back. Okay, and you use that one to wrap it, just to cover it up like so. Okay, so cover it up like so, and you tack. Okay, tack it together. Can you see the back? You tack it together, use your needle and thread to tack it. Alright, so I'm done tacking. I'm done tacking. All right, so using this my previous gele. So we are assuming this is our normal round plate ashoke. So you just attach it to the side wherever you want it to be. You just attach it like that and you tack it. You tack it to the pleats itself. Okay. So I'm just going to be showing you how to do that. Okay, just insert it into any of the pleats. Insert it like that, bring it out, you tack it, you go in and out. Just make sure that your thread are not that visible. All right, thank you.